Hey folks, John with Baker Boy here today. Want to talk about Baker Boy dinner roll dough. We have 4 different versions I'm going to show. I had pulled these out and put them in the walk-in cooler last night, up to 12 hours covered. Today they're thawed and ready to go. The Baker Boy butter and egg roll dough. This is something I like to do rather than bake it on a standard sheet pan and leave it like it is here. I will go ahead and take a cake pan. You can use an 8-inch or 9-inch. Depending on the size of the pan, you can go 5 rolls up to 7 rolls. Since this is a 9-inch, I'm going to go ahead and put 7 rolls in there, 1 in the middle, and let's just do 6 around. And the reason why I do the rolls this way with the cake pans is because a lot of functions, if you guys are doing catering or you've got a bunch of customers around the table or whatever, you can take this roll and go ahead and place it in the pan, bake it in a round pan, and serve it on a dinner plate. So as you pass the plate around the table, everybody can grab a roll. It's not smashed, it's not messed up, and it's nice and even. The rolls are panned. Now go ahead, since this is a butter and egg roll dough, let's go ahead and egg wash these rolls just to give them a nice golden brown color so that as we proof and bake these, they have a nice shine and a nice texture. And for these I'm just going to leave plain. But a person could go ahead and shake on any seasonings, any toppings, anything that you want. And I'll season the center one. How's that? Okay, just pulled out the Baker Boy butter and egg roll that we baked into the round cluster style roll. This works really well for putting on a dinner plate and passing it around the dinner table or any kind of a convention center, that kind of deal. I had these in the proofer at 70 to 80% humidity, 90 to 100 degrees. Okay, they were in there for a half hour. Pulled them out, popped them in the oven. We baked them for 18 minutes at 325. I got 5 of the butter and egg Baker Boy dinner roll doughs left. Let's do something fun with this. This is an item that, again, I like to egg wash because it's a butter and egg roll dough. Let's get the egg wash done on there, okay? Get them all ready like that. And go ahead, let's roll them in our seasonings like we did earlier. Roll them around in there, get them all ready. We're gonna set these on here, just like that. And again, I'm gonna go back and cut this roll just like I did the ones in the muffin tin. The only thing is I'm gonna leave these freestanding. So these little guys will be able to pop out. They'll look like a little, I call them just a cluster roll, but it's a freestanding cluster roll. And again, it's something that you can do with the roll dough to make it more upscale and more pleasing to the customer. Back to 6 cuts all the way around with your scissor, set them on the pan, and I'm going to go ahead, I'll put these in the proofer with the rest of the rolls. We're at about 80, 90 degrees in the proofer and about 70% humidity. They'll stay in there for a half hour. And then I will go ahead and pull those out, pop these in the oven, 325, probably for about 18 minutes until they're nice and golden. Here's our butter and egg roll dough that we cut. I just pulled them out of the proofer. They're ready to hit the oven. Here's our little blossom roll that we made with the leftover butter and egg roll from the last round version that we did. Just wanted to let you know that these can be used as high-end rolls. I can also fill them if I want to. But again, any questions, any comments, any things you guys need to know about the Baker Boy product line and the dinner rolls that we are showing, please contact us at bakerboy.com.